toward the end of the training mission, we were on our way back and we got a call saying that there was a vessel on fire. So we landed and we were getting ready to go, and then they turned out that we were going to start picking people up because they were taking on water. We were heading out that way, and of course it was a very long ride to get out there because it was over 200 miles out. It was unbelievable. You know, you open up the cabin door, you're looking out, and you see those waves out there. And of course, at the altitude that we were at, it didn't look all that bad. The closer we got to the water, it was just crazy dynamic. The Canadian Coast Guard picked up 6, and then I picked up 8, and then the 6039 that was behind us picked up 13. It was challenging, the way that the boat was rolling and pitching in those waves, trying to get the trail line on board with it sailing like 30, 40 feet behind, trying to con the aircraft to pick up the survivors was very difficult, very exciting but scary at the same time.